Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Valentine props is probably one of the most exciting and essential elements for creating a memorable and romantic atmosphere, whether you're planning a special date night at home, decorating for a party, or simply want to add a touch of love to your surroundings. These carefully chosen items can transform any space into a haven of affection, setting the mood and enhancing the overall experience for you and your loved ones. From charming decorations to interactive elements, the right props can make all the difference in making this Valentine's Day truly unforgettable. Number 5. WOLADA Valentine's Day Photography Backdrop 10876. Create unforgettable memories with this beautiful backdrop. Its vintage charm is perfect for capturing romantic moments and special occasions. Crafted from durable, non-reflective vinyl, this backdrop is lightweight and easy to handle. It's designed for repeated use without compromising on quality. Experience stunning visuals with high-resolution printing. The realistic scene and eye-catching details bring your photos to life. Ideal for a wide range of events, from baby showers and birthdays to weddings and studio shoots. It's your go-to for diverse photography needs. Need something unique? We offer customization services to create a backdrop tailored just for you. Contact us with any questions for a swift response. Measuring 5 by 7 feet, it provides ample space for your subjects. Please note that stands and clamps are not included. What we like? This backdrop offers a classic vintage charm with its heart and wood floor design. It's made from durable, non-reflective vinyl, making it easy to handle and store. If you're looking for a timeless and versatile background for romantic couple portraits or studio shoots, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The props are well made and sturdy, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The variety of props included is great, offering many creative options for photos. The colors are vibrant and exactly as pictured, adding a pop of fun to any Valentine's Day celebration. Number 4. Lofaris Valentine's Mother's Day Photography Backdrop. Create beautiful memories with our versatile photography backdrop. It's perfect for a wide range of special occasions, adding a touch of magic to your photos. Crafted from durable vinyl, this backdrop is lightweight and easy to handle. It's designed to be wrinkle-free for a flawless finish every time. Experience excellent color treatment and realistic artistic effects. The details are so lifelike, they'll bring your photos to life. This backdrop is designed for convenience. It's easy to carry and can be refreshed to remove creases, ensuring it's always ready for your next shoot. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers and festivals, this backdrop is your go-to for stunning portraits and creative photography. Need a different size or a specific image? We can accommodate your requests to ensure the perfect fit for your vision. What we like? This backdrop features a romantic brick wall with red roses and soft lighting effects. It's designed to be wrinkle-free and reusable, ensuring great quality photos every time. If you love a more dramatic and richly detailed scene for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day celebrations, this would be perfect for your photo booth. What people say. The props are made of high-quality materials and are very durable. The design is unique and eye-catching, perfect for creating a romantic atmosphere. The props are easy to set up and use, saving time and effort. Number 3. Cenfpola Halloween Feather Angel Wings. Transform into a celestial being with these stunning feather angel wings. Perfect for any occasion, they add a touch of magic to your costume. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or a birthday party, these wings are the ultimate accessory. They are designed for adults and are sure to make a statement. Crafted with care, these wings feature soft, realistic feathers for a truly angelic look. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear all day or night. Elevate your dress-up game and create unforgettable memories. These wings are not just a costume piece, they are an experience. Add a touch of fantasy and elegance to your outfit. These versatile wings are a must-have for any costume enthusiast looking for that perfect finishing touch. What we like? These are not backdrops but a fun costume accessory. They are feather angel wings designed for adults. If you're looking to add a touch of magic and whimsy to your Valentine's Day outfit or any costume party, these wings are a fantastic way to make a statement. What people say. The props are well made and sturdy, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The variety of props included is great, offering many creative options for photos. The colors are vibrant and exactly as pictured, adding a cheerful touch to the decorations. Number 2. Valentine's Day Photo Booth Props Kit. Make your Valentine's Day, wedding, or birthday celebration truly memorable. Our photo booth props are perfect for adding fun and laughter to any event. With 28 unique and engaging pieces, you'll have endless options for creative and hilarious photos. It's the perfect way to capture the joy of the occasion. Unleash your creativity with these DIY selfie accessories. They are designed to make your pictures stand out and become cherished keepsakes. Whether it's Valentine's Day, a wedding, a birthday, or a shower, these props add a special touch. They are versatile decorations for any festive gathering. These props serve as both a fun activity and a delightful party favor. They are sure to be a hit with guests of all ages, enhancing your decor. Simply pick up a prop and strike a pose. They are designed for instant fun and easy participation, ensuring everyone gets in on the excitement. What we like? This is a fun kit packed with 28 different photo booth props. They are designed to be funny and easy to use for selfies and group photos. If you want to add some playful and interactive elements to your Valentine's Day party or wedding, this kit will ensure everyone has a blast taking memorable pictures. What people say. The props are well made and sturdy, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The variety of props included is great, offering many creative options for photos. The colors are vibrant and exactly as pictured, adding a cheerful touch to any Valentine's Day celebration. Number 1. Pangda Valentine Heart Garland Photo Props. Create a romantic atmosphere for Valentine's Day with these beautiful decorations. Perfect for homes, stores, and parties, they add a festive touch to any space. Capture precious memories with these charming heart props. They make a wonderful backdrop for baby photos, couple pictures, and commemorating special moments. Crafted from durable card paper, these decorations feature 2 sizes of hearts, larger ones at 4 inches and smaller ones at 2 inches. Each strand is approximately 6.9 feet long. You'll receive 6 strands in total, with each strand containing 15 heart cards. This provides ample decoration for your event. These garlands are designed for easy hanging, with extra string at the top and bottom. For outdoor use, securing them will prevent tangling in the wind. What we like? This product offers a simple yet effective way to create a romantic atmosphere with its heart-shaped garlands. They are made of card paper and come in strands that are easy to hang. If you need to quickly decorate a space for Valentine's Day, like a mall window or your home, these garlands are a charming and festive addition. What people say. The props are well made and durable, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The variety of designs included in the set is impressive, offering many creative options for photos. These props are lightweight and easy to hold, making them great for both adults and children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.